The Gripsner. I remember exploring this smart hand grip strengthener earlier today. Glad you're interested in learning more about it. Would you like me to refresh your memory on its key features or delve deeper into specific aspects that pique your curiosity? Here are some areas we could explore. Grip strength benefits. Improved athletic performance. Whether you're a rock climber, golfer, or weightlifter, stronger grip can enhance your performance and prevent injuries. Everyday activities. From opening jars to carrying groceries, strong hands make daily tasks easier and more comfortable. Game integration. Play engaging games that incorporate grip strength exercises, gamifying your workout and adding an element of fun. Overall health. Grip strength can be an indicator of overall health and can be linked to better bone density and reduced risk of certain diseases. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Gripsner. Pros. Smart technology. Game integration. Multiple grip options. Portable and lightweight. Cons. New technology. Price. Data privacy. Limited functionality. Overall, the Gripsner presents a unique and engaging option for individuals looking to improve their hand grip strength and add a fun twist to their exercise routine. Its smart features, interactive games, and comfortable design make it a compelling choice. However, the newness of the technology, higher price point, and limited functionality require consideration before making a decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.